Generational cooking, the flavor of heritage. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a heartwarming and flavorful topic: generational cooking. This concept is not just about recipes and ingredients but also about the stories, traditions, and emotional connections that are passed down through families. We'll explore what makes generational cooking so special and why it's an important part of cultural heritage. Let's get started and uncover the richness of flavors and memories that come with it. Generational cooking refers to the practice of passing down recipes, cooking techniques, and food traditions from one generation to another within a family. This is how your grandmother's special pie or your father's famous stew becomes a cherished part of family gatherings. It's more than just food. It's a legacy of taste, love, and family history. Through generational cooking, we preserve our cultural identity and connect with our ancestors in the most delicious way possible. In generational cooking, ingredients often tell a story. They might be specific to a region, showcasing local produce or traditional spices that have been used for centuries. These ingredients are not just chosen for their flavor but also for their cultural significance. For example, using saffron in a family paella recipe might reflect Spanish heritage, while the use of soy sauce in dishes might highlight Asian influences. Each ingredient carries a piece of history, making the meal a celebration of heritage. Cooking techniques in generational cooking are as important as the recipes themselves. These techniques, whether it's a specific way to knead dough or a unique method of seasoning, are often handed down through observation and practice. They represent the wisdom of previous generations, honed through years of experience. Learning these methods is a way to maintain a tangible link to the past, ensuring that these valuable skills do not get lost over time. Every dish in generational cooking comes with a story. Perhaps it's a recipe that was created during a time of scarcity and became a symbol of resilience, or a celebratory dish that marks important family milestones. These stories add an emotional depth to the food, making each bite a journey through time. By sharing these stories, we foster a sense of belonging and continuity, reinforcing the family bonds and cultural connections. Generational cooking is much more than just preparing meals. It's a celebration of family history, culture, and love that is expressed through food. It connects us to our past and guides us in passing on our heritage to future generations. We hope this video has inspired you to explore your own family's recipes and stories, discovering the flavors and tales that make your heritage unique. Remember, every family has its own special ingredients and stories to share. Happy cooking, and may your kitchen always be filled with joy and delicious memories.